Apple has just done something completely unexpected with the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4, and the latest wave of leaks is creating enormous excitement among smartwatch enthusiasts. If you currently own an older Apple Watch Ultra or are considering buying one today, you may want to wait a little longer. Information reportedly emerging from supply chain sources suggests that Apple is preparing one of the most significant upgrades the Ultra lineup has ever seen. Rather than focusing on small refinements or cosmetic changes, the company appears to be rethinking the entire product from the ground up. This is not shaping up to be a simple annual refresh with a slightly faster processor or a new color option. Instead, Apple seems determined to redefine what its premium rugged smartwatch can be. From a redesigned body and advanced health monitoring capabilities to major battery efficiency improvements and smarter software features, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 could become one of the most ambitious wearable devices Apple has ever produced. One of the biggest talking points surrounding the Ultra 4 is its rumored physical redesign. Since its debut, the Ultra series has been known for its large, rugged, and industrial appearance. While many users appreciated its durability and commanding presence, others found it bulky for everyday wear, especially when sleeping or wearing long sleeves. Apple reportedly aims to solve this issue with a significantly slimmer design. Sources indicate the company has engineered a thinner titanium chassis that could reduce overall thickness substantially compared to previous generations. Achieving this, while maintaining the rugged identity of the Ultra line, would be an impressive engineering accomplishment. The watch is expected to retain its premium titanium construction and durable sapphire crystal display, while becoming noticeably lighter and more comfortable on the wrist. The display itself may also receive meaningful improvements. Reports suggest Apple is working to reduce bezel size around the screen, allowing for more usable display area without significantly increasing the overall footprint of the watch. This means users could enjoy larger maps, more fitness metrics, and improved readability while maintaining a compact and refined design. Such changes would help the Ultra transition from a purely adventure-focused device into a versatile premium smartwatch suitable for both outdoor expeditions and professional environments. Whether you are hiking through remote terrain or attending an important business meeting, the Ultra 4 may feel equally at home in either situation. Normally, a thinner smartwatch raises concerns about battery life. Consumers often assume that reducing thickness requires sacrificing battery capacity. However, Apple appears to be approaching the challenge differently. According to industry reports, the company plans to maintain a battery size similar to the previous model, while relying on dramatic efficiency improvements from new hardware. At the center of this effort is the rumored S11 processor. Built using a more advanced manufacturing process, the chip is expected to consume significantly less power during daily operations. Combined with next-generation display technologies and improved system optimization, these upgrades could deliver impressive endurance despite the slimmer body. Battery life remains one of the Ultra lineup's strongest selling points, and Apple seems committed to extending that advantage. Heavy users who rely on GPS navigation, fitness tracking, topographic maps, and outdoor safety features may benefit from longer usage between charges. Travelers, endurance athletes, hikers, and adventurers often spend days away from power outlets, making battery longevity a critical feature. The efficiency gains rumored for the Ultra 4 could help eliminate battery anxiety and make the watch feel even more dependable during extended trips and demanding activities. Another major area of improvement reportedly lies on the back of the watch. For years, Apple Watches have used a familiar sensor arrangement for collecting health data. The Ultra 4 may introduce a completely redesigned sensor system featuring an advanced ring-shaped array. Reports suggest the number of sensors could increase significantly, allowing for more accurate data collection across a wider range of activities. By distributing sensors around a larger contact area, the watch may maintain more consistent skin contact during intense movement. This could improve heart rate tracking, temperature monitoring, blood oxygen measurements, and other important health metrics. The health-focused upgrades do not stop there. One of the most exciting rumors involves blood pressure monitoring. Apple has reportedly been working on a non-invasive solution capable of detecting signs of hypertension without requiring traditional cuffs. While the technology may not provide exact blood pressure readings in the same way medical equipment does, it could potentially alert users to concerning trends and changes in cardiovascular health. Such functionality would represent a major step forward for wearable health technology. Combined with existing health features, the Ultra 4 could become an increasingly valuable wellness companion, capable of helping users identify potential issues before they become serious. Software will also play a major role in the experience. The watch is expected to launch alongside watchOS 12, bringing significant enhancements powered by Apple's latest artificial intelligence initiatives. Siri may become more conversational, context-aware, and capable of handling complex requests directly from the wrist. Users could experience smarter interactions, improved app integration, and quicker access to relevant information throughout the day. A redesigned interface may also prioritize frequently used apps and features based on current activity, making the watch feel more responsive and personalized. Additional rumors point toward new security features, including the possibility of integrated fingerprint authentication. If implemented, Touch ID could provide a faster and more convenient method for unlocking the watch and authorizing transactions. Although it remains uncertain whether this feature will make the final release, it demonstrates Apple's continued interest in improving both security and usability. To complete the package, Apple is reportedly enhancing durability through improved manufacturing techniques and stronger surface treatments for darker titanium finishes. Combined with satellite-assisted safety features, advanced navigation tools, and premium materials, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 appears poised to push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can achieve. If current reports prove accurate, this could be one of the most significant upgrades in the history of Apple's wearable lineup, setting a new benchmark for performance, health monitoring, battery life, and everyday practicality.